Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable soup powder. First, select a variety of fresh, high-quality vegetables like carrots, celery, onions, and bell peppers. Ensure they are thoroughly washed and completely dry. Then, chop all your chosen vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This step is crucial for ensuring they dry evenly and efficiently, which is key to a successful powder. Aim for pieces no larger than 1/4 inch. Next, it's time to dry your prepared vegetables. You can use a food dehydrator set to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, which typically takes between 8 and 12 hours. If you don't have a dehydrator, your oven can work too. Just set it to its lowest temperature and leave the door slightly ajar. The goal is for the vegetables to become completely brittle and snap easily when bent, indicating all moisture is removed. Once your vegetables are thoroughly dried, let them cool completely to room temperature. This prevents condensation during grinding. Now, transfer the cooled, brittle vegetable pieces into a spice grinder or a high-speed blender. It's best to work in small batches to ensure a fine, consistent powder. Grind until the mixture resembles a fine flour, free of any large chunks. This step transforms your dried veggies into a versatile powder. Finally, store your homemade vegetable soup powder in an airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dark pantry, and it will maintain its freshness and potency for up to 6 months. To use, simply whisk 2 tablespoons of the powder into 1 cup of hot water for a quick, flavorful vegetable broth. You can also add it to stews, sauces, or gravies for an extra boost of vegetable goodness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.